Well, these are all my cockatiels. I actually have 2 more at my parents' house, but these are all the 4 that I have here. I'll go through them one by one. Okay. So starting off, this is Nekabet. He was actually the runt. He had a calcium problem because I used to breed them when I was younger. But he's a very good birdie. This is his half-sister, Genesis, the really pretty pied one flying away. They're both white cheeks. And then there's Kiki. She's my eldest. She's about 11 this year actually. I've had her since I was 12. So, or maybe she's 12 this year. I don't know, can't remember. But yeah, she's my hand-reared one. Kiki, come here. Good girl. She's a good girl. Aren't you, Kiki? Yeah. You're a pretty one. There you go. And this little one, oh, camera shy. Alright, we'll try that again. This is Achilles Rodrigo. Don't ask me about the name. I don't know how I got that. I think I was studying Shakespeare, so the Rodrigo, but I don't know. I don't know where that came from. But you'll notice that her beak is actually quite deformed. That happened when she was just really young. She actually dislocated her beak. I'm not sure how, but I took her to the avian vet and he said that I could either put her down or spend the rest of her life clipping her beak down to size. And so I chose clipping her beak down to size. So at the moment it's in need of a clip, but you can see it's quite long, but it's alright, she can still actually eat. But it's just kind of a stressful process, so I tend to let it grow out and separate the clips as long as I can. But she's a pretty happy bird. She's really part of the flock and everyone loves her. Oh, she's off again. She hasn't got very strong legs, but she loves to fly, as you can see. The others are a bit lazy. Come here, Kiki. No, not my ring. Go down again. Go on. Good girl. Nekabet must be getting on too, actually. He's getting older. They all look a bit scrappy. They're going through a molt before winter, I reckon. But oh, he's having a preen. Kiki and Genesis seem to have issues sometimes. See, this is where this is where Achilles went, all the way up there. But I'll get her down. Come on, sweetie. Oh, nope, she's off. They're all gonna fly now. Whee! And back to the same spot. I think it's the camera. She may be a little scared of it. It's okay. Oh, she's trying to hiss. She's not very good at it because of her beak. I know. It's okay. Don't worry. It's okay. She's gonna... Oh. She's getting a bit tired now. I'll take the camera away just so she can rest. Everyone's back down again. Nekabet is actually, I think I got it from an Egyptian name or something. It was something like God of the Birds or something. I was studying Egypt at the time. It was like high school. Back in the day. he? Turn around. Show everyone your pretty face. Not that pretty at the moment. You've got all lots of pin feathers. Come here. She's my old girl. Aren't you beautiful? Yeah, who's a good girl? That's Pepe. He heard me talking. Good little one. It's okay, my baby. It's okay. Don't worry. Camera won't hurt you. She has a different opinion.